good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this video. I'm going to do a quick precursor to my previous video where I made this now used domino mold. I have my, I don't know what you want to call it, but my housing and my contact paper. I'm going to show you how I actually make that housing using this basket from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I does what I do, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so the things you need to create this, which we later dominoes and silicone agent to, is a basket from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what the size is. It's a little bigger than what I'm used to, but that's okay. Basket from the Dollar Tree. Contact paper, also from the Dollar Tree. I found that the clear contact paper leaves my mold a little sticky, so I go with any type of else, something with a design on it. Glue gun, el glue stickers, wire hangers, no wire cutters, and that's what I use. Alright, so as you may or may not have guessed, with the basket, we're going to go around with the wire cutters. And I guess in hindsight, any really good pair of scissors could probably do the same thing. But I want to preserve my scissors, so that's why I just use the wire cutters. But I essentially go around and cut this basket. Trigger fast mode. Alright, so time travel magic, and I'm sure there's different ways to do it. I've seen people use boxes, pans, pots, Legos. The possibilities are endless, but this is just the way I do it. So, we have our box. It's been cut. Man, kind of cute. Like, it can go like outside in the yard for some dirt. I don't know, just kind of refurbished. But I'm left with this, the top part, cut. I mean, historically, I've cut it lower, but just for the visual, I left like a little space so you guys can actually see it. What would be next before being able to start my mold would be to cut some contact paper. So I pull this out and measure it, and then I'd cut around using actual scissors. Scissors. So I just cut this a little extra, never hurt nobody, because I want some room to work with. So we're here. Then we go and peel. Do this on. And I make it a point not to touch the part where my course, sticky setup. Place this. center. Tight. And now we have this. Glue gun. I already have a stick in there. I'm going to go around and glue this down to the contact paper. That way, once I put in my solution, I don't have to be concerned about any of it leaking out. And I probably go around about 2 or 3 times with the glue gun, glue stickies. Now I'm going around with the glue gun, making sure to press down, getting a nice good seal. All right, so once that's all glued down, take the scissors one more time, and I cut off the excess. Leaving just a little, heaven forbid, in the event there is some seepage from where I may have missed with the glue gun, but I've never had a problem with it, so. Outside of maybe just like a little bit. It's been cut. And that is how I make the casing for my dominoes. Again, a Dollar Tree basket, Dollar Tree contact paper, hot glue gun, which I already had at home, glue stickers, wire cutters, regular scissors, and there it goes. I would place my dominoes, add my molding solution, wait for that to cure and fully dry. At that point, because we just used hot glue, I would peel it off and be able to easily remove the mold from its casing. Here's an example. I'm about to make a mold right now, matter of fact, but of a previously made mold with the dominoes on the contact paper. So there you have it. Questions, concerns, deep philosophical beliefs, jump down in the comment sections, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you back here soon.